Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to set up an email account in Thunderbird. Visit the Thunderbird website and click on free download button given on the website. You will get a new window prompting to save the file. Click on Save File, by which the file will be saved on your computer. Now, double-click on the downloaded file to download the extracted files. After this, a new window would be launched, which will show you the Thunderbird setup wizard. Here, click on the Next button. Then, select either standard type of setup or custom setup. Click on Next. Here, it will display the location where Thunderbird will be installed. Then, click on Install to begin the Thunderbird installation. New window will prompt you to finish the setup wizard and launch Mozilla Thunderbird. This will open two windows, one at the back named Welcome to Mozilla Thunderbird and one overlapping it in front named as Set up your existing email address. If you want to set up your existing email address for Thunderbird, you can enter your name, existing email address, and password. In the password field, you can view your password by clicking on the eye icon. You can also tick the Remember Password checkbox if you want Thunderbird to remember your password. Note that in case the Setup your existing email address doesn't get displayed, click on the email option under Choose what to set up. If you want to create a new email address for Thunderbird, you can click on the link Get a new email address below the email address field. This will open a new window. Would you like a new email address? Here, enter your name and click on Search button. This will display a list of email addresses from which you can purchase one. If you want to continue with your existing email, then click on Skip this and continue with my existing email. Then, once you are done with entering your name, email address, and password, click on Continue. Make sure you enter your own email address. This will display the settings. When the settings are displayed, after clicking on Continue, you can select the protocol as per your preference. Note that you can also configure the settings manually by clicking on Configure Manually button. The settings will get displayed. Now, Thunderbird will connect you to the mentioned email server. And click on Done. You can click on the Inbox button to start with downloading inbox messages. In this way, you can set up an email account in Thunderbird. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.